First thing we need to do is set up a Teams meeting. So I am in my Outlook email, and I'm going to click on the calendar here to go to my calendar. And I'm going to set up a Teams meeting by double clicking here. And I'm going to go add an online meeting, Teams meeting. For the sake of this, I'll click all day. And I'm going to invite a student here. Online student. So you'll add your students here. And I'm ready to go. I'm going to hit send. And pull up. Here we go. This is Firefox. The other browser was Chrome. I'm logged into my student account, my online student account here. And as you can see, when I send the invite to my students, there I added online student at jsu.edu. So I added that student account there. And here is the email invite that I received. So I received an email invite. And what I do now is click on this. Yes, I want to join. So what it does then is it's on my calendar, and this is my student calendar. So I accepted it, and I can click here as the student. So all of your students can click on this link and click yes, you'll attend, or join the Teams meeting. Now, what you can also do, since you created the Teams meeting, is go back to where you created it on your calendar, and we're going to get the link. So right now, this is me as the instructor. I'm in Chrome. I minimized my Firefox that has my student account. This is the student account. This is the faculty account that I have. And this is the Teams that I created. So what I'm going to do now is double click on it. And to get the link, you just right click here and copy link address. Then you can go to your email or your course. For example, just to show you what it is, if you wanted to paste it in your course, here's the link that I copied when I copied the link address. There it is. So I can also do this, join the Teams. You can imagine. Then go to, here we go, link, paste there. And you can do the same thing in your course. So to get the link to give to your students in your course, you go back to your calendar after you create it here. Just double click on it, right click, and copy link address. And I'm in Chrome. But if you add your students when you set up the invite, so there's one student that I added. It will send them an email, and I accepted it. And when that happens, it puts the link onto their Outlook calendar.